Hi, this is Burr Stewart. Time for a little grade crossing fun. Here approaching us from one side, we have one of the new Rapido U25B locomotives in GN paint, plus a Western Pacific GP40 from Atlas, which Brian Elchlip super detailed for me with help from Bill Decker. And then on the other side, approaching from the right, we have a slew of the new RS11's from Rapido in the BN numbers, even though they have the Northern Pacific paint. Super fun, if you ask me. Well, that's all for now, but we might try this operation in reverse. So for now, Burr Stewart wishing you much